everyone, I'm Dr.A.G.Mythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the Sensex and Nifty. So before going to that, what is a market index? A market index is an indicator of overall performance of all the companies listed in the stock exchange. It is a measure of several factors such as performance of the market, price variations, etc. in the stock market. The stock market index reflects all the changes that takes place in the stock market. These index facilitate the investors to identify the pattern of stock market movements and allow them to make investment in the stocks accordingly. So based on this index, the investors can invest in the stocks of a stock market. So Sensex and Nifty are indexes of Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange respectively. While the stock exchange lists the stocks in the market, the stock index details movement that takes place in the market. So what is Sensex? A Sensex, the market index of Bombay Stock Exchange, which also known as S&P BSE Sensex, is one of the oldest market index in India. Sensex stands for Stock Exchange Sensitivity Index. It consists of top 30 companies listed in Bombay Stock Exchange for trading. The Sensex is calculated by using the free float market capitalization method, and through this the performance of 30 companies gets reflected. The free float market capitalization method shows a proportion of shares that are ready to be traded and are issued by the companies to the public in the market. Coming to Nifty. Nifty, a stock market index of the National Stock Exchange, stands for National Stock Exchange Nifty. Nifty comprises top 50 companies that are traded in NSE. The method used to calculate Nifty is same as index, that is the free float market capitalization method. At the outset, market capitalization is computed to calculate Nifty. The equity and market price are multiplied in order to calculate market capitalization. Then equity capital is multiplied with the price for finding out the free float capitalization. Now coming to the difference between Sensex and Nifty. Sensex stands for Stock Exchange Sensitivity Index and it is a stock market index for Bombay Stock Exchange, whereas Nifty stands for National Stock Exchange. Nifty and it is a stock market index of NSE. Nifty is operated by subsidiary of NSE called NSE Index Limited. On the other hand, Sensex is operated by Bombay Stock Exchange. So both index have opening and closing. Morning we can see the opening, and in the evening we can see the closing points of BSE and NSE. The base index value of Sensex is 100, while the base index value of Nifty is 1000. Sensex comprises 30 well-established companies, whereas Nifty comprises 50 top companies that are listed for trading of BSE and NSE respectively. So, now coming to the factors that cause changes in an index. There are multiple factors that influence the movement of Sensex and Nifty. Firstly, the condition of the global economy has a huge impact on index, and recession in the global economy worsen the performance of the index. Secondly, inflation causes a negative impact on the performance of the index. This is because inflation leaves the investors with fewer funds to invest in the stock of the companies. Moreover, the companies also suffer from high cost in the economy, and thus there will be downturn in the stock market. Crucially, the changes in the interest rate causes a downward movement in the stock market. With the increase in interest rate, the cost of lending also increases. To manage the cut down of lending, the companies reduce their expenses, and this further hampers the performance of the company in the stock market. This leads to decline in the index performance. So based on the index performance only, the investors invest in the stocks. The market indicates are the indicators of investors' sentiments. They help the investors to understand the market conditions and enable them to make rational decisions relating to their investment in the securities which they need. Thank you.